Hello friends, today's topic is market visit, Vipanaya Brahmanam. Conversation between seller and customer. Vikretuhu grahakasya cha madhye vartalapah. Come, want to buy vegetables. Agachatu, shakani krinatu. Yes, which vegetables are there? Ai bho, kani shakani vidyante. There is bitter gourd, cucumber, okra, brinjal and red color carrot. What do you want? Asti atra karabelam karkati bhindihi vrintakam raktavarnam grunjankam cha kim ichhati. What is the price of potatoes? Kim mulyam alukasya? Not more. It is 20 rupees per kilo. Kevalam vimshatihi rupyakani prati kilo mitam. Okay, give 1 kilo. Also give half a kilo okra. Astu kilo parimitam yachatu. Bhindihi api ardha kilomitam. You want bitter gourd? Carbalam mastu va? No, it is bitter. Nobody eats in my house. Na katu ityatah carbalam mama gruhe na khadanti. Okay, done. Put everything in my bag. Take the money. Paryaptam. Asmin स्यूते सर्वाणि वस्तूनि स्थापयतु. धनं स्वीकरोतु. Okay, astu.